This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 8839. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 200. The chassis is a new 2019 Ford F350. It is a 4-wheel drive, and the engine is a 6.7 liter diesel. Overall length is 288 inches. Overall height is 106.5 inch. Headroom is 67. It is a wheeled coach module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, all new door gaskets. It has a new wheel-in siren and new wheel-in speakers. It has new wheel-in LED lights, exterior and interior. It has a new trip light inverter and charger. It has an all-new HVAC system. The chassis is a new 2019 Ford F350 108-inch cab to axle dimension. It is 4-wheel drive, and it has a 6.7 liter diesel engine. The body configuration is left number 1, oxygen. It will be fitted with an adjustable Zymatic oxygen holder, which will fit to the O2 lift. L number 2 has under-counter storage for waste and sharps, vacuum pump, and other available storage. Unit has all new drip rails, all new rub rails, all new diamond plate, new running boards, and a new custom auto eject. Left rear compartment, L number 3, houses the spare tire. Also has provisions for a stair chair. It has a new flip-up aluminum bumper. The load height is 35 inches without dumping. The unit does currently not have air ride or liquid ride, but can be retrofitted with either for the dumping and kneeling feature. It has a new floor, new cushions throughout. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas, storage below and above. It has a new combination child attendant seat. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat and above the bulkhead. The configuration is a 3/4 partial walkthrough. You can see it also has a new front console with ample area for radio interface, beverages, document storage. It has a right front inside-outside access on the lower portion, ALS cabinet. It has a locking drawer between that and the upper cabinet. It has a new HVAC system and blower configuration. It has glove storage above the curbside door. Has a body side window. Storage for sharps and waste at the head of the squad bench. Right rear backboard compartment. Our number 3 is the backboard compartment. It's totally carpeted. Our number 2 is additional storage between the wheel well and the backboard. Unit has new fenderettes to go with the new rub rails, all new stainless steel sill plates to prevent damage at the bottom of compartment and entry doors. The right front compartment is ALS in-out access, and the inverter is housed underneath the ALS compartment. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 8839, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.